Cash Giraffe withdrawals stay pending for long periods when the payout request is stuck in verification, payment provider processing, or delayed reward validation. So the money is not lost, it's just not cleared yet. By the end, you'll understand why your Cash Giraffe withdrawal is stuck pending, and the exact steps to figure out whether it will complete or needs fixing. First thing to check is the reward verification status. Cash Giraffe doesn't always send coins directly into a withdrawable state immediately. Some earnings stay in a pending phase while the system confirms the activity from AD networks or offer providers. If that confirmation hasn't finished, the withdrawal will sit pending, even though your balance looks correct. Next, check your PayPal or payout method connection. If there's any mismatch, expired session, or unverified account, the withdrawal can't complete. Open your payout settings and confirm your PayPal email is active, verified, and fully linked to the same account you're trying to receive money on. Another common cause is payment processor delay. Cash Giraffe relies on external payout systems, and those systems sometimes queue transactions during high traffic. When that happens, withdrawals can remain pending longer than usual, without any error message. In these cases, the transaction usually completes once the queue clears. Also check for account-level review flags. If the system detects unusual activity like rapid earnings spikes, multiple devices, or VPN usage, it may hold withdrawals temporarily for verification. This doesn't always mean a ban, but it does delay processing until the system confirms normal activity. If your withdrawal has been pending for a long time, open the app and refresh your session. Log out and log back in to force a new sync with the server. This can update hidden transaction statuses that are not showing correctly on your device. Clearing app cache can also help if the status is stuck due to outdated local data. After clearing cache, restart your phone and reopen the app to reload your transaction history directly from the server. If none of that changes anything, the issue is likely on the payment provider side or a stuck transaction record. At that point, the only option is to contact Cash Giraffe support and provide the transaction ID so they can manually check the payout status. Quick summary: pending withdrawals usually come from reward verification delays, payout connection issues, or payment processor queues. Check verification first, then payout settings, then refresh or reset the app session. Most pending cases resolve once the system finishes verification or clears payment queues. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.